So guys, this is how the shurak looks like at the moment. As you can see, it's a very old shurak and it has had its better days. So yeah, this is what you're going to work on, and hopefully you're going to breathe life into it and make it look better and more appealing. So the first thing I'm going to do is to sand the shurak, and I'm going to do that using this sandpaper that is wrapped around a piece of wood. So the shurak is well sanded and it's ready for the next step. Since I don't have wood filler to fill all the cracks, I'm going I'm going to use. It's actually a stain, but I'm going to use it as paint. For the first coat on the sides, I realized that the paint was running and it was leaving those marks. So for the next coat, I decided to lay it flat. I hope that makes sense. So after so many coats, I think about 4 coats, this is how the shoe rack looks like, and I love how it turned out. So for the next step, we're going to use this wood protector. Hey guys, we are done. One more time, let me show you the before. Let's get to remember how this shoe rack was looking like, and then I'll show you the after. So this marks the end of our video today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video up to this point. I appreciate, and I hope that this video has inspired you to revamp or paint any furniture in your house that you feel needs some love. So yeah, I had so much fun doing this project, and this was my first time painting. So if at all you've seen any mistakes there, please don't come at me. It was my first time, and so far I'm proud of myself. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't for more videos. I have few projects that I want to share with you guys, so make sure you subscribe. Also leave a comment down below, just say hi, and see you next time. I love you. Bye. Happy New Year and Happy New Month.